Welcome startups, innovators, creators, and future of fintechs to Innovate48 Partner Edition launch event. My name is Prashant Mane, Director Client Relations at FIS, and the strategist behind Innovate48 Partner Edition. It is my honor and a pleasure to be host of this event today. The 2 days event will be prelude to IN48 Partner Edition, Ideathon on 26th August. Launch event is designed to educate the startups about FIS innovation ecosystem and prepare them for Ideathon starting next week. The first day of launch event will be focused on FIS ecosystem, and we'll be augmenting this on the second day with industry speakers and topics like regulatory frameworks, identity, Web3, and much more. Let me give you a brief background about today's journey. So we'll be starting with a keynote speech from Vishad, head of a global delivery organization in India and Philippines. Post that, we have a good in-depth session about FIS line of businesses from FIS India leadership team. The session will be covering FIS key line of businesses like capital markets, banking and payments, and merchants. Now, the reason why we have set up this as a first session is to give the orientation to the startups about which building block they belong to within FIS. Once they know which building block they belong to, the next question will be, how do you play around with this building block in various sandboxes? And that's where the subsequent session, which is FIS Developer Experience Program, will be. In this session, you'll be learning about FIS Code Connect, our banking and payments APIs, alongside with FIS Developer Program, which is our merchant API. Now, this session will give you an idea about how to navigate through the FIS APIs that are available, play around with them, understand the documentation, understand how to reach these teams, understand how to get the help, and also understand what are the current tractions, geographical presence of these APIs, and how you can innovate through the APIs with some examples, use cases, and much more. Now, this session will allow you to understand how these building blocks can react to your business strategies. And post that, we are going to have an interesting session, which is on FIS strategy. Now, once you know your placement with FIS ecosystem, building block that you work with, once you know how to interact with it, the next question is how FIS is strategizing various innovation programs around the startup ecosystem, and how you can take advantage of this ecosystem in terms of getting funding, in terms of getting connects, in terms of connecting with clients that we have, in terms of getting alliance partner programs, in terms of getting the API support that we need, etc. And that's where we have this FIS Strategic Innovation Program. We are going to cover our Accelerate program, which is a 12-week program that we run every year. And that is for early stage startups to connect with FIS. Then we'll be looking at more mature startup engagement with FIS via the FIS Ventures program, which is going to be covered by our Ventures team. And after that, if startups are looking more for alliance and partnership with FIS, then we'll be covering those aspects as well. And after that, we are going to have John Cooney, who is our tech innovation head. We'll be talking about FIS tech innovation areas. So this strategic innovation program session will give you an understanding. Once you understand the ecosystem, once you understand the APIs, how do you get help from FIS from various angles, right from the initial stage to the mature stage to the alliance partner stage, and beyond that, with line of businesses and how to do POCs and engagements with line of businesses in the interesting areas that we have. After this, we are going to deep dive into 3 key areas. One is the digital assets, data innovation, and AI in fintech. Now, these 3 tracks have been chosen very carefully. We have not deliberately kept it fintech specific. We are looking for deep expertise into digital assets, deep expertise into data innovation, and AI in fintech. So in digital assets, we'll be having various FIS experts, like from capital market to the merchant solution to the banking, about what areas FIS is innovating about and which partnerships we have and which focus areas that we have from midterm to long-term strategies. Same thing about data innovation. We'll be talking about our capital markets data innovation group. We are talking about merchant as well as banking data innovation group, and followed by AI in fintech. So this is how the day is going to be evolving. And at the end of the day, we'll have a closing note from our partners who are helping us with the platform. They will be explaining how to get help, how do we apply to this program, and how do we take it further. So in summary, this program is a learning program for next 2 days for startups to understand how to engage with the FIS ecosystem. It's a preparation program for the actual event Ideathon that is happening on 26th August. So I urge you, if you have not already registered for the actual event, which is 26th August, please do so. Now, it is my pleasure to introduce Vishad, the Senior Vice President, Head of Global Delivery Organization, India and Philippines at FIS Fidelity Information Services. He has held several leadership roles in FIS over the last 10 years, including Chief Operating Officer, Banking Solutions Delivery, India and Philippines, and Vice President of Applications BPO Services in India and Philippines. Before joining FIS, Vishad worked at Dell Services for 5 years as a Director and Head of Global Solution Design for Application Services and Business. Prior to that, Vishad also worked for TCS for around 16 years as Head of Strategic and Business Issues. I would like to hand over now to Vishad and for his keynote presentation as well as welcome note. Over to you, Vishad. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Prashant. And this really sounds absolutely exciting. Thanks for the layout of the program. And I hope people understand what is in there for the next 2 days. Absolutely exciting, as you can imagine, for all of us. But really, I would really want to call about and say hello to everybody. Thank you for joining us today for the inaugural InnovateIN48 Partner Edition launch event. It's so great to see so many of you on the call today. And we are very excited to kickstart this journey and see some unique ideas come to life, which build the future of fintech. But why are we so invested in this? Why fintech? It's because we believe that fintech is going to lead the way to a better tomorrow. Now, if you go to the next slide, if you just, yes, yeah, there you go. That's better. So I'm really, I'm really sure of, that all of us will agree that the world around us is changing at an unprecedented pace. What started off just as ideas like banking without bankers or credit cards without card are today's reality. These ideas have become the norm, transformed our lives, and have started to become what customers expect. What once sounded crazy or far-fetched, like if you think about buying a car with a text, grocery stores without cashiers, shopping with your face, or paying bills through social media, now with hindsight is seen as visionary, innovative, and even bold. Financial technology is unlocking a stronger connection between businesses and their customers. It's creating new revenue streams, expanding business models, and building customer loyalty. FIS, being the leading provider of fintech, made this happen. We helped our clients innovate their way to growth. Now, I want to pause and show you a video about how we are transforming the fintech. So if we can play the video, please.
The voice, the Tushar is not coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
You want to launch the world's largest streaming channel in over 40 countries, all in one go.
Yeah.
You are dreaming. That is impossible.
So, to recap, you want to bring banking to millions of people who've never banked before, ever. Whew, that's a doozy.
で、それが仮想通貨をアクセスできる銀行なんです。
You want to make grocery stores without checkouts.
Right, exactly.
You're selling fashion for who?
Avatars.
Avatars.
Well, what if we could pay our bills on social media?
That is a terrible idea.
You want me to sell my videos as an NFT?
Buy a car with a text? Nope, next.
No.
I hate it.
Negatory.
It will never happen.
Are you kidding me?
What is happening here?
Are you crazy?
We love it.
We think this is a bold idea.
Now we hope this video helps you understand how we are creating a destination for innovation and delivering bold ideas that really move the world, as you saw in the video. Now, talking about FIS, if you can go to the other slide, please. There you go. And I hope, Prashant, that I'm visible on the screen.
Slides are visible.
Okay.
Vishad?
Okay, cool. All righty. So just talking about FIS, with 78,000 colleagues spread across 49 countries, our purpose is to help businesses and communities thrive by advancing commerce and the financial world. We stand apart in the market because of our ability to connect the entire value chain of financial technology across payments, banking, and investing for financial institutions and businesses of any size and in any industry. Now, economies rely on FIS. Why? Because we manage over half the world's overall wealth and process 13 trillion USD annually. Also, businesses run on FIS. We work with 95% of the world's leading banks. We support over 1 million merchants around the globe. We processed over 40 billion USD in transactions last year alone. As innovators build on FIS, today about half the world's most innovative companies are our clients and partners. We are behind 95% of the world's crypto exchanges, and we are a fast company best workplace for innovators. We have also been named as world's most admired company by Fortune for many years now. To be included in the list of industry disruptors is a great honor and a true testament that we are the destination for financial innovation. Now, if you move to the next slide. So how do you think we are making a difference and unlocking financial technology that powers the world? By absolute performance. Our reliability, resilience, and agility enable us to power the economies of today and tomorrow. By flexible architecture, through simple and open architecture, we create customizable and modern client experiences. And through trusted innovation, we focus on proven approach that comes from our unparalleled expertise and deliver accelerated growth by leveraging technologies that will actually shape the future of financial services. And a big part of the story is actually FIS India. 1/3 of the employees are in India today. We have grown our teams by 80% in the last 3 years. In 2021 alone, we hired over 10,000 people despite the pandemic challenges. And this just gives you an idea about our commitment to grow the India market. So moving on, as our core values and behaviors give us the power to have a positive impact on the world we share, as people who help advance the world, we actually win as one team. We work together to innovate and deliver best-in-class solutions for clients that makes a difference. Lead with integrity. We believe in each other and take pride in what we do. Be the change. We are always looking for new ideas, faster, more economical, more intuitive ways to arrive at solutions that advance our work. We are building leaders of tomorrow who drive innovation from complexity, influence strategically and inclusively, and inspire people to learn, grow, and make impact through uncertainty. By developing the best talent in the world, we are advancing the workforce of the future and powering our mission of advancing the way the world pays, banks, and invests. Now let's talk a little bit about the InnovateIN48 Partner Edition, which Prashant had just laid out a few minutes ago. For more than half a century, we have helped organizations of all types and sizes creating amazing, secure, and intuitive finance and commerce experiences for their billions of customers. Together, we have changed the world for the better and helped so many people move, manage, and secure their money. As a global fintech leader, we are continuously innovating to ensure that no one is left behind in this digital economy. We do bold things for bold clients because they thrive. When they thrive, we also thrive. We work with countless disruptors, visionaries, game changers, and groundbreakers like you all to explore those possibilities, innovate, and accelerate the fintech transformation. Now, InnovateIN48 Partner Edition is the next chapter in our innovation journey. InnovateIN48 is FIS's annual technology and innovation event designed to spark creativity, collaboration, and exploration. For years, FIS has sponsored Employee InnovateIN48 Hackathon to help solve business challenges for our clients. And as we celebrate 10 years of our flagship event, we want to harness the power of startup ecosystem to further financial technology while celebrating our culture of innovation and building solutions that will enable us to better serve our clients. We believe that innovators with bold ambitions can actually change the status quo. And therefore, we want to tap into the smartest minds and invite the APAC Start-ups to help create the next fintech disruption. As part of this 48 hour Ideathon, our participating teams will get an opportunity to harness the power of emerging technology to build bold, innovative solutions that can solve current industry challenges. Now, the best solution will emerge as the winning team and will get an opportunity to work with FIS to build a proof of concept, get a fast track application for the FIS Accelerator program, receive visibility with the FIS Alliance and FIS Ventures programs, and also win some cloud credits. Ideas lead to innovation, be it standalone solutions or innovations that integrate with the FIS ecosystem. Now, we can't wait to see what you bring to the table for us. With the InnovateIN48 Partner Edition going live, we are absolutely excited to welcome disruptive innovators to redefine the future. I really want to thank you and wish you all the very best. May the best team win. Thank you and have a great 2 days. Prashant, you may be on mute.
Thank you, Vishad. It was a very deep and clear overview of the FIS innovation ecosystem. And thanks for your inspiring speech. Next session that we have will be starting at 3, but I'll just give an overview and idea about what you'll be seeing in the next session. The next session is about FIS innovation in our 3 line of businesses, or introduction to these 3 line of businesses. And here we'll be hearing from our 3 key leaders about 3 segments that we have, which is banking, payments, capital markets, and merchants. So hope to see you again at 3. This platform has a second slot starting at 3. Just join that slot at 3 and you'll see the stage again. Thank you very much.